Students, myself Vishnu Samothya, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Session Reactivity and Stability of Free Radicals. Today now we discuss reactivity and stability and preparation of free radicals. A free radical may be defined as a species that contain one or more unpaired electrons. स्टूडेंट्स फ्री रेडिकल स्पीसीज उस स्पीसीज को बोलते हैं जिसके पास वन और मोर अनपेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रेजेंट होते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं अपन फ्री रेडिकल्स. मतलब सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन आर प्रेजेंट इज नोन एज ए फ्री रेडिकल्स स्पीसीज. सो द रेडिकल प्ले एज ए इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इज combustion, atmosphere chemistry, and is the polarization, and plasma chemistry, the biochemistry, and many other chemical processes are known as a, including human physiology, is known as a free radical species. So the first organic free radical species identified was triphenyl methyl radicals by Moses Gombrich. So the founder of radical chemistry is 19,000. So the carbon based for radical is the trivalent carbon species having single p electron in a valence shell. So it is a tetrahedral geometry where our carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. For examples are represented given below. Primary 1 degree free radicals and secondary free radicals and tertiary free radicals is represent. So the sp3 character are increases 1 degree to 3 degree free radicals, and sp2 character are increases 3 degree radical to 1 degree. So the but essentially of all free radicals are a planar, and it is just to the relative difference. Okay students, it is the tetrahedral geometry and where the carbon atom is a sp3 hybridization. So the generation and effect of the radicals and free radicals species. So the thermal and photolysis of organic peroxides as azo compounds generated to the free radicals species. So the alkyl peroxide react with heat and convert to alkoxy radicals, and alkyl nitrile react with heat convert to free radical species are known as a generation of free radicals. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो एल्किल पेरोक्साइड का इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ हीट में अपन यदि फ्री रेडिकल स्पीसीज कराएं तो थर्मोलाइसिस प्रोसेस और फोटोलाइसिस प्रोसेस में ही अपन उसको रिएक्शंस को करा सकते हैं और अपने पास फ्री रेडिकल्स कुछ कंपाउंड्स का प्रेजेंट होगा. सो द बायोमोलिकुलर रेडॉक्स रिएक्शंस आर जनरेटेड फ्री रेडिकल्स. फॉर एग्जांपल्स आर कॉपर प्लस PHCOO and the inhibitor. So copper plus 2 and PHCO minus plus phenyl radicals are known as a biomolecular redox reactions. So the stabilization of free radical reaction, due to the stabilization of free radical reactions are resonance effect due to the conjugation stabilization of a free radical species. So the react with alkene convert to 2 degree carbo free radical species. So the form aromatic rings are free radical are donate to aromatic ring and convert to ring bond formation, and more stable benzyl radical species is known as a aromatic free radical species. So the 3 degree free radical is more stable than 2 degree free radical and then 1 degree free radicals. 3 tertiary free radical is more stable than secondary free radical than primary free radicals. So the reactions of free radicals often take part is in radical propagating reactions. So phenyl react with CH3R convert to PH and CH2 radicals are. Alkyl radicals plus chloride convert to RCH2Cl plus chloride radicals, and chloride radical react with CH3R and HCl plus CH2 radicals are is known as a, in these reactions are given below, is known as a free radicals reactions. Okay students, so part of the radical propagations. So now we discuss in the some cases the free radicals itself may be fragmented, and the propagations of a chain reactions are known as a free radicals reactions are given below is chain polymerization reactions. So CH2 free radical react with CH2 CH3 plus further CH3 free radical convert to CH3 dot CH2 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 CH2. It is known as a polymerization reactions. So is suitability substituted free radicals may be isomerized. For examples, CH2 isomerized convert to free radical species. So disproportions and radical coupling and also and are the common reactions of the terminations of a free radical species. For examples are CH3CH2 plus CH3CH2. Two free radicals are connect with CH3CH3 plus CH2 double bond CH2 are disproportionation reactions. So CH3 dot plus CH3 dot convert to CH3CH3 radical coupling reactions are known as a free radicals reaction. Student detection of the free radicals reactions are by using the electron spin resonance ESR and highly stabilized the free radicals may be detected UV and visible spectroscopy. NMR spectroscopy can be detected of the free radicals can be studying the over how Church effect. So the unpaired of electron is the free radicals is accumulated is the single occupied molecular orbital SOMO. So it is the single occupied molecular orbital is the higher energy orbitals. So the free radicals show a tendency to loses electrons. If the SOMO single occupied molecular orbitals as a lower orbitals, it is so the tendency to the accept of electrons. So the radical react with the carbocations and plus electrons and convert to radicals plus further electrons are represented convert to carbon. So convert to radical species convert to carbocations and radical species convert to carbon species. Okay students, तो ये होते अपने पास फ्री रेडिकल स्पीसीज स्टेबिलिटी प्रिपरेशन एंड प्रॉपर्टीज. ओके थैंक यू.